We'll subtract numbers written in decimal notation. The difference that we're finding is 20.0 minus 0.9099. Now we see that the decimal points are lined up, which is what is required before we start subtracting. And I'm also going to write 3 extra zeros in the first number so that I have the same number of decimal places filled in each number. Now starting at the right and subtracting, I can't subtract 9 from 0. So I'm going to have to borrow, and I'm going to have to go all the way over to the left-hand column to start borrowing. So I'm going to rewrite 20 as 19 and 999 thousandths, and there's 1,000th left over, which is 10 10,000ths, so I can write 10 here. And now I can subtract 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 9 is 0. We write the decimal point. 9 minus 0 is 9, and here we have 1 minus 0, which is 1. So the difference is 19.0901.